Instead of nowadays technological advances, there are many conspiracy theories about strange events happening around the world. Some of these events include miracles, mysterious disappearance, cases of mistaken identity, hoax, and unsolved murders. Could these cases be demonstrated, or are they facts of faith? To begin, scientists argue that there are evidences like objects, clothes, jewelry that support these strange events happening. They say that they can be proved by empirical methods and techniques. Particularly in the case of the Bermuda Triangle, there are some physical evidences like objects that were found many years after boats had disappeared. For example, there were found parts of the boats like windows, doors, and prows that are the front part of them. And furthermore, there were found some personal objects of the people that were traveling, as bags, shoes, clothes, and other things. On the other hand, it is said that there are no sufficient empirical evidences of these facts that are proved by scientific tests or techniques because these evidences are not consistent, and at the same time it is not logical to explain a fact by only one factor. So as a consequence, it is considerably that these scientific tests are not sufficient, and in mostly of the cases there are poor coincidence. For example, in the Da Vinci's Code case, it is said that the Holy Grail represents the non-human and also the human nature of Jesus. Others argue that is related to a pure human being, and also that Jesus had married with Maria Magdalene. Some people of the Catholic Church refute this and say that although science had many advances, they 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 do not have sufficient tools to prove these facts. So, as a consequence, these religious beliefs are facts of faith, and um, there are no sufficient empirical tests that can prove in a satisfactory way the opposite. All things considered, it cannot be possible to establish a single solution to this strange cases demonstration. Even though empirical tests or scientific techniques prove some facts, there is no doubt that there are no sufficient evidence. As a result, it is possible to affirm that the dilemma between science and faith is still of great discussion, and a unique answer does not exist yet.